Hi, my name is Damian. I'm here with DCC. We are currently building a walkway for a patio and an entranceway to a house. We're running the Tomahawk compactor to prep the base before we pour concrete. We use it typically to compact the soil or gravel to make sure that when we apply the concrete, it does not shift in elevation or height, keeping everything flat, graded perfectly to the level you need. It gets in all the tight places that some of the bigger ones can't, and the handlebars are easy to move around with. It feels like it has more control and more maneuverability than other compactors I've used. Yeah, the Honda engine on this thing, it just starts up easy every time, runs smooth. Honestly, we haven't had any issues with it, and it's a Tomahawk, so if anything ever comes up, you know they're gonna take care of you. I would recommend this compactor for anyone who's in the trades of, let's say, hardscaping, landscaping, or even construction with concrete. Anyone who plans on compacting the ground to a nice grade, this is definitely the tool you need. Honestly, it just makes the work easier, and the results speak for themselves.